All right, so we're gonna just start with this. If I what up, y'all? It's your boy Center back again with another one. Welcome back to Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom. Let me skip the antics and let's just get right back into this because I cannot wait to keep on going. All right, so when we left off, we had to go do 2 more shrines. Oh, I see one right over there. Money. And yeah, 2 more shrines and then we get to go into the Temple of Time. So let's get it. Let's get this. I think I could go in there. Money. How did I lose so much stamina from that? Oh, it's probably because I was running. All right, I'm done. Can I do this? Come here. Oh no, I can't grab him. All right. Let's see. Stick, slap, stick. Hey, like me now. Now give me your stick. Pause. Yeah. Oh, there's already arrows all over here. Let's go. All right. Yep. Give them all. Give them all. Give them all. How you like me now, mother? Oh, my I just threw my weapon and I tried to. Let me not. All right. Yeah, I need to find out how to get to these other shrines, but at the same time, why is there a pin? So I went to the pin just to double check, and it said pretty much I needed to do the shrine. So, okay, I'm slow. But hey, you can never be too sure. Sometimes you gotta double check, triple check, quadruple check, just to find out that your princess is in another castle. My question is, why am I not freezing? Because if y'all remember in Breath of the Wild, the higher the altitude, the colder my boy got. So, what's going on now? Or at least, if I'm remembering that right. Whatever though, I'm just here to play a game. How you like me now? Pepper step? Give me that. Yo, I'm ready to cook so much that I don't know the ingredients to. Let's go. All right, so I know one of the shrines is up there. There's gotta be an easier shrine to get to. So what's that gonna look like? I really wish I'd stop running out of stamina like that, but I cannot let go of that run button. I gotta go fast, bro. I gotta go fast. Oh, is that the other one? Did I just find it off the rip? Let's go. Guys, I'm too smart. You can't fool me. You can't hide from me. I'm too smart for it. Okay, it ran away. It was a buggy, I guess. All in all, I'm just so happy that I'm playing another Zelda game. Y'all are so ugly. Get it with a stick. Let's go. Raw meat. I'm about to make something delicious. Yo. This will go good. This will go good with that. My cooking skills are about to unfold. Wait a sec. That is a long way down and I don't know how I'm gonna get over there. Unless... Can I... Dude, what? How am I gonna get over there? Wait. Oh no, don't tell me. Do I gotta go all the way back over there? I think that is about what it's looking like. Wait, no. This thing's just one big circle, so I can make it. Maybe? No. I'm gonna have to... I almost forgot you could teleport. Yo, I'm saving so much time.
Wrong.
I'm gonna have to go back this way, and then I'm gonna have to go that way. I can't swim across, go this way because I ain't got the stamina for that. All right, so we're gonna just start with this. If I... What? I broke his... Oh, he's mad as hell that I killed his brother. Guess what? You going down too. No. I ain't going for that. Nope. Oh, my stick. Come here. No, it's on site with you now. Come here, you stupid bird. You stupid bird. Bitch, get over here. No. You ass. I'm gonna spend this entire game fucking you up. No, 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 sir. Yes. Eat shit. No one hits me off guard and gets away with it. Oh, that was dumb as worth it though. All right, let's go. Wait. No, I can't teleport. You can't teleport. I don't have that ability, I guess. Guys, oh, no teleportation. So I'm just gonna, all right, I'm gonna make the journey over there. I'll be right back with you guys. All right, so I made it back to where I was supposed to go. Yo, first off, f that stupid bird. He had what was coming to him. F that bird. I'm so mad about that. Like, not only did I go the wrong way, I also got destroyed by that bird off guard. That was not cool. Ain't nothing about that was cool. All right, we learned our lesson in the last video that it does not pay to be an idiot. So we do it like this, and then we do it like this. Ooh, money. That's the way we do it. That's the way we do it. And then attach. Yeah. What? No. No, 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 no. I did not press that button. It looks like it's staying like that. No. Okay. No! Unattach! Okay. Unattach. Okay. You're right in. Maybe I didn't have to do that. Nah, I did. Okay. Woo! Alright. Slowly but surely. Oh, and he's waiting for me. Let's go. What a raw root. I see that they're still at work even now. We originally created the constructs to assist in our endeavors. All of us were fond of them. I never imagined they would continue to carry out their assigned tasks to this day. The fact that their labor no longer serves any purpose, yet they perform it still, it is disquieting to me. He said you're doing this for nothing. Hey, you can stop. He said you're doing it for nothing. Your mama a threat. Alright, fix your gaze forward, face it head on. Pardon me, I was absorbed in my wood cutting. Are you here for... No, I know how to wood cut. Okay. Thanks for your bundle of wood. Pause. Pause. Oh, what? Handheld axes now? That's what's up. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I can go that way. I'm over here bullshitting. Onward. Can I make that? Dude, I can't. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I'm slow. Hold on. You know what? It's not for nothing, Raru. You need to open up your eyes. He just made me a bridge. All right, so we need to make it longer. There's an easy fix to this. Oh my God, if I keep on pressing that button. Throwing my damn weapons. Okay. And then we do this bad boy right here. And attach it. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright. And then we go across the way. Twist it, twist it. And boom. Just like that. Whoo! Look at me, I'm smart. Okay. What are you doing, my guy? He has a bow. Ooh, thank you. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Ooh, it's y'all. I'm gonna take this. No! Get your ass over here. I will waste all my arrows just for this. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Did he go? Oh, he left. That must be another one. All right. You know what? I don't got time for this. I gotta move. Yo, what up, Robert? What you doing? Yeah, you need to quit following me, man. You creeping me out. I love this view through the temple all the time. I always took a moment to appreciate whenever I passed here. Garden at the time was quiet. The only sound to be heard was a time bell ringing in mornings and evenings. It was as if the whole place changed its time, especially at night when the sound signaled the emergence of fireflies. Those were glorious times. Reminisce, also reminisce. Oh, he's cooking. I like how they're all set up to like basically show you what, like, how to do shit if you're like new at this game. You don't like you. Every single one of y'all is going. Foul. Oh, did he just try to sneak up behind me? Did you just try to sneak up behind me? What? You missed. Okay. All right. Something breakable. Yeah. Oh, you had a stick. Where's that stick? Give me that stick. Yeah. You finna get all of these skibbity paps. Ooh. I love that sound. It will never get old. Brings joy to my little heart. Nope. You need the axe. Foul. Yes. Can I make that? I don't. Opal. I can sell that later. I don't know if I can make this. Dude, do not tell me. Do I have to go back and get that? Do I have to get that boat? Is that a Korok? It's a Korok! What up, buddy? This is awful. Where's my friend? You can see me. I'm a Korok, one of the children of the fort. I was traveling with my friend, but we got separated. My friend is sending up a signal. I can't wait to catch up. So tired though, I can't move. All right, you need to reach your friend, and I am the man with the plan. Yo, they're gonna make me get creative with this, aren't they? All right, let's see. All right, so first things first. Boom. And then I see we got trees here. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Man, you're a child of the forest. You got it. You're fine. You love trees. There we go. And then we're gonna do this thing. Okay. Boom, boom. Nope. Okay. And then we're gonna do it like this, and then we're gonna attache. No. Yes. And then we're gonna do this bad boy right here, and then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna ride dirty. Later, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna reach your friend now. Whee! All right, smoke signal. I'm waiting for my friend. Yeah, I just got through talking with him. Good dude. I wonder what happened. He said he got tired and didn't want to come this way. Okay, now I gotta build a boat. Okay. Easy. I just gotta think a little bit. might go against my forte, but I ain't scared to try new things. I ain't scared to think a little bit. Hold on. All right, no. First off, and then we're gonna drop you, and then we're gonna do this. Might need to attach a little bit more loggies, and then yeah. And then okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this, and then I'm gonna attach you to the thing, and then we'll see how this works. And then I'm gonna do this, and then we're gonna slide on down, and then I'll fix you up, and we gonna sail away. Whee! All right, money. Money. All right, there's so much thinking, or it's not really much to think about. Like, obviously it's pretty simple. It's just, that's kind of a lot of work. Woo! And then grab that. Oh my God. It's really hard to maneuver through. I killed him. Oh, he had a thick stick. Pause. Oh lordy. Okay. Wait, I didn't have to do all that. Damn this game. All right. Well, we can do this though, and set her down right. Woo! So I'll take this boat ride to let y'all know that I do music. My name is also Sinner on my streaming platforms. I got songs for you. I do hip hop rap. If y'all are looking for new music to listen to, feel free to check me out. I'll leave the links in the description for y'all to check out. And thank you for watching. Also, we're here now, so let's get bouncing. Do I get a bomb? There's a foreshadowing cave of rocks right there. We'll see. All right, so you've made it here. Now then, extend your right hand. I like how he just gives you the thing right off the rip. Attach something to an equipped weapon or shield to enhance it. You can undo the fusion, but that will destroy whatever has been attached. It allows you to fuse something nearby to your weapon or shield, thereby enhancing it. Why not pick up that sword just ahead and then fuse a nearby object to it? Use fuse and receive the blessing from this shrine. Okay. Don't mind if I do. I ain't mad at that. All right, picking up the thing, doing that. Let's see. I'm gonna use the claymore just because that's what he instructed me to do. And then so I just got this big old club. That is crazy. Okay, so obviously I can't beat that up. What do we got here? Is this hella fruit? Fire fruit that generates heat when struck. Cooked correctly, its heating properties improve blood flow and stimulate muscles to raise attack power in high temperatures. Let's take them. This is a brand new fruit too. I will take that old wooden bow. Wait, select material to attach. Wait. What? That is crazy. What? That's so cool. Blowing my freaking mind right now. The keys look different now too. Okay. All right, onward and upward. Enemy? Oh, so you confused too, huh? You confused too, huh? You. right, hold on. I just want to see what happens when I burn this. And now I'm gonna whoop you. Okay, I need to be more careful. Remember your training. Never mind, or die. All right, come here. Yeah, there we go. Foul. I'm back. Oh. How you like me now? Oh yeah, my boulder hammer broke. Ooh, now I got a rock hammer. All right. Yep. Done well to reach this place. Whee! So that's one down and another to go. So we are making good progress. So now that I got this little fusing thing, where do I go now? I came because there's something I failed to give you. More gifts? Please take it. What's up with that? What's good? What is it? Energy cell, a gift from Zonai cursor designed to be worn on a belt. It can power Zonai devices. What I have just given you is an energy cell. It's required to make use of the tools known as Zonai devices. I cannot demonstrate its utility because there are no Zonai devices right here. However, I have associates on the other side of the cave system. Okay. Then I will go to them and learn. You are unclothed. Well, thanks. Thanks for letting me know. You gonna do something about it? You gonna give me some clothes? They quit judging me. Damn you. Yeah. Oh, ho. I'm gonna love this. But, so does that mean I don't get to use bombs anymore? Because I'm not gonna lie, I was okay with using bombs too. We'll see. It's too early to say. It's early as hell in the game, so we'll find out. Wow, they are fighting each other. They are really fighting each other, and they don't care that I'm here. Yeah, that ain't fair. Y'all got weapons, and this dude is using his hands. Yep, y'all getting no mercy. I'm with the Chew on this one. Yo, fuck him up, Chew. Fuck him up. You got this. Yo. You dumbass bitch. You should have let him win. Cheating ass Zone Eyes. What do you have? Is that a paddle? Are you about to paddle me? Pause. Sir. You got what you deserved. Nothing more, nothing less. Bap. You're gonna get this milk. While we're here, let me go ahead and gather my stuff. I want to cook. It's cooking time. Hold it. Hold it. And you know what? Not a stem bulb. Let's see. I can't remember exact ingredients, but I'm pretty sure I got them all with me right now. So let's do this. Okay. And cook. Yeah. Spicy simmered fruit. Tasty. Alright, so I'm just gonna make another one. Man, stop doing that. That's not what I needed. I mean, it's a lot of health though. Ugh, what is that thing? What is that thing? What is going on? Hold on. I don't like this. on. Get shit on. Get shit on. What? Bubble gem. All right, so they were on the other side of this cave system. Hey, I got my first clothes. Okay, so equip. It's something. It is something. At least I'm not just in my undies. That is the longest I've ever been in undies. Damn. All right, y'all. We may have need of these parts. There are more materials near the water available for your use. What's going on? I thought I was talking to him. We have the Zonai device, but I do not see how it will help us with the broken raft situation. They are necessities around here. Allow me to explain. This green thing is called a Zonai device. The one you see here is a fan. You can produce wind on demand by striking it. They are self-evidently useful. We have a variety of Zonai devices for multitudinous purposes. Using Zonai devices does require energy. An external energy cell will be necessary in your case. Part of the long explanation does not change our need for a raft. Zonai devices are extremely useful. Think creatively and you will find many ways to employ them. You said to strike it. Oh, it worked! Suck my dick! Alright. We may have need of these parts. There are more available for water. Oh, it just turned off. Alright. Whatever. Can I pick it up? Man, he's not gonna let me pick it up. Fuck you. Oh, there's a whole thing of... Okay. There's a whole thing of stuff over here. Alright, you know what? Put it right here. Boom. And then we smack this mofo. Pow. Woo! Watch me go. Yeah, y'all don't know nothing. Y'all don't know nothing. Okay, so using the Zonai device requires energy. And then I just hit it again to turn it off. Easy enough. Ooh. Mo enemies. Rusty shield. Broadsword. Bow and arrow. Y'all got another paddle. Look, I need, let's see. Boom, boom, bow. We are going to have to deal with this. All right, I almost forgot. You can deflect stuff, so I shouldn't be able to let him do that to me. Ah, you dumb bitch. Fuck you. Oh man, I backflip. Well, I thought I did at least. Nope. Thick stick. You about to get thick stick, my boy? Yeah. Ooh. Bow. Yeah. Fuck. I tried to back up. Why is he looking over here? Oh my god. Eat it. Drop that. Bow, 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 bow. Whoa, he almost got me. Yo. I'm fast with it. I'm fast. Oh, I got a box attached to the sword. Bow, 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 bow. More clothes? More clothes, please? Whatever. Oh, hello. I can use you. Get over here. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yep. And then we do this. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And then we, yeah. And then we do this. And pow. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, it is dark. Oh, come on. All right, off. Hey, friend. This cave is especially dark. Do you have any? Yes, I do. Okay, so then do I need to drop this and then hold, drop, and then do this and then? So what does this do? Does it light? Does it straight up light my way? Yo, it doesn't light up shit. Oh, okay. Okay. I understand now. All right, so I'm about to do y'all a very good solid. Okay, and then we're gonna do this bad boy. So now we can just do this, and then boom. Okay, hold on. Okay. Woo! So you just need to hit it. That's all you need to do. I'm overcomplicating it. So I'm just gonna straight up take your shit. Got you. I can't be selfish. All right, that's cool. Are you selling this? I don't have any of these, so I'll take, yeah, 4. I'm out of here, motherfucker. Oh, sweet progress. Hey, you know what? I'm getting closer. Okay, off. I'm taking you with me. I'm not building another one. You again? What are you doing here? Go to your damn friend, bro. What? Yo, my shit really almost just took off without me. What is that? That was not cool. All right, so we have a problem now. This is a problem I don't like. Let's see. It's not gonna work that well because unless man. All right, let's see how this goes. Let's just see what happens. So obviously we're gonna go up, and then it's gonna fall, and then we're gonna die, and then we're gonna, yeah. Okay. I wonder if I can use double the power. I'm gonna have to like hold on tight though. What? I didn't even need the hook. Oh my God, I didn't need the hook. Yeah, low maximum power don't hurt nobody. And we're off. All right. First things first, I'm gonna eat some spicy simmer fruit. And then I gotta find a way up. All right, so let's see. Let's weigh out what we can do. We can go into this cave for one. Up we go. Nice. Okay. Oh, break out. Oh, bomb flower. Yo, bomb flower. They brought back the bomb flower. All right. Boom. Oh, that frog is in here. Come here, Froggy. Yeah, get some of this milk. Got you. Got you. Bubble jam. We only take bubble baths. Ew, what's that thing? Oh! Go ahead. Spit it out again. Where'd you go? Aha. Boom. 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 Go ahead. Spit it out again. Dare you, ugly. Bow. Doosh, 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 and bow. Yeah, how you like me now? What's good, ugly? Yo, I'm about to make you my son again, bro. Come on. Open up. Open up. Take your medicine. Take your medicine. Come on. Ah! Okay. Let's get the shit out of me. Doosh, 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 doosh. Pow. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Pow, 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 pow. Right in the kisser. Like. Was that a like? Yo, okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's some good info. Good info to know. All right, I'm gonna need to cook a little more. Take out the vice. Yes. Put it right here. It's cooking time, y'all. Welcome back to Cooking Center, the show where we make some dope ass food. Scorching salt grilled meat. Hot weather attack. I don't want a hot weather attack. I just want resistance. I wasted that. Cool. Fine. All right. I don't know how I'm going to get through this part without having all my food. Not looking good though. I'm gonna have to continuously be eating food up until I actually beat that damn shrine. It doesn't look like I can climb up there because it's going to be cold. Shit. Okay. Nope. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. I kind of have an idea. I don't know if it'll work though. All right. Here. All right. First things first. We're gonna drop a flint right here, and then we're gonna drop some wood right here, and then what we're gonna do is have our wood catch on fire, not by the flint, but by my accidental fire. And then I'm gonna put this out. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this thing right here. Right here. And then I'm gonna not do that because I have to chop wood first. Yes. Oh no, unbearable cold. Okay. Attach. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make like a little ladder type thing, and then we're gonna stand that up to this so that we can climb it, and we're gonna see if that works. Right now I'm just spitballing. Boom. There's a lot of trees out here, so I feel like this is exactly what they wanted me to do. Okay. Okay. I might be a genius, y'all. I might be a genius. Let's go. I'm so smart. Oh, watch me go. Yes, I can make food now. I can't be stopped. I literally cannot be stopped. You son of a bitch. Get out of here. You're lucky I still got some flint. Okay. Oh, the thing was literally right there. I'm so dumb. Okay. I can't with me sometimes. Why did it take so long just to get over here? Okay. Making progress. Progress. Okay. What do we get now? What do we get? Move upward through solid material and emerge on top of it. What? It lets you travel through what's directly above you to ascend through it and emerge. What the hell? So they're just giving me godlike powers? What? That's kind of cool though. Okay, let's test it out. Well, I can't use it yet. Hold on. So, like this? What? That's low-key cool. What? Oh my god. Oh, that's sick. Get up in there. Yeah. That's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. I like it. And I was short an X. Okay. Push me through. Rebirth. Look at it. Bow. How you like me now? I'm back. What do we got in here? Oh, okay. Ah! Oh, so that's what happens when you press back. Okay. You're just swimming up through. Okay. That's awesome. I like it a lot. Construct bow. I will take it. Literally, this feels like a cheat. That's crazy. Okay. Come on. Push me back through. It looks like it hurts. Not gonna lie to you. Okay, so now we can open the Temple of Time. Gotta be, right? I see you've restored some power to that new arm of yours. Door to the Temple of Time should now open for you. Is there like a shortcut that I could take to get there? Or should it just be easy peasy, like right there? Whee! Of course I die right there. That's fine. All right, so I guess I'm just gonna go this way, like this. I need some clothes. Finally. Okay. As I say it, at least it's somewhat resistant. Better than nothing. What are you doing, Raru? So... Oh. Oh. And that's how I can control it? Okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yo, this game is built different. All right. So now we're finally able to get up inside of this place. I got me some new clothes. It ain't really shit, but it's something. We are making progress. That's what it's all about. Whew. Oh my God. We did it. We made it, y'all. We made it to the Temple of Time. So what we got going on here? Girl, what you doing? Where you been? What are you about to do? She got tears. She got tears tattooed. Aww. So she's one of them now. Dang, she really is meditating though. Look at her. Boy. What was that? Recall. Reverse an object's movement until it goes back to where it was. You can stop the reverse movement at any time. So you just gotta give me a new power up and bounce. Ability to reverse the movement of an object through time. And Zelda has vanished. Yeah, I've noticed that. What you just saw, it's a mystery, even to me. Perhaps it was a sort of echo, one that reflects her sheer will. That you've now been given this ability. No doubt it will prove important. All right, we're gonna leave it off right here. I'm gonna keep on playing this for a good bit. I might even just play this to the end because obviously I'm a big old Zelda fan. But anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Peace out.